This is carrying on the tradition of the Spanish architecture mixed with the Chinese architecture. So the Chinese architecture has those panels sliding in the windows up there. Nice view of the ocean out here. A nice view of the bay. So this was one of the Marcos's many mansions. He's excited about it. Here's Imelda Marcos, owner of 10,000 pairs of shoes or something like that. Pictures. Is this painted by Marcos? Looks like it. And the room this door must pass through to the other bedroom on the other side. There's all this grating protecting the windows. Slide. Ooh, look at that. Looks like those are made out of shells. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you like this house?
Yeah.
Do you want to live here? Do you want to live here? Should we ask your daddy to buy it for you? So you can live here? Or run for president? I think that's a yes. Look at this furniture. Spacious. Right here and you see the ocean. Look at Mamita. Nice place to stand and take pictures. This must be the master bedroom. It's a chandelier. Expensive paintings. And we get over here, a big bed. Nice views looking out the window. Oh, this must be a little museum to his honor. Hawaiian Airlines, huh? Oh, this must be when he went into exile. That's right. Because he was kicked out of the U.S. or kicked out of the Philippines. One of Imelda Marcos's dresses. And he had the latest technology. Projector and your beta movies. Camera. Look at that. Nice dining area over there on the other side. to make a nice hall. Beautiful view of the lagoon out there. Must be a guest bedroom for the kids. As you can tell, this is a pretty popular place to come for all the locals who want to come see how the Marcoses lived. Nice big dining room table. Nice view outside. Museum rules: do not touch. Presidential office. We shall make this nation great again. Wow. Like those chandeliers. If that was his actual desk, I suppose so. Look at that floor. Woodwork on the floor is kind of interesting. I guess he must have helped create the Philippine highway.
San Francisco, San Juanico Bridge. It was built during
The airport. Modern day Manila airport. I don't know where this is at, but it looks interesting. I like the cross. Now look like royalty up there.